Hey there guys, Melissa here from Prime Residential. We're here at 9 Carnegie Road in Point Cook. So let's have a look through the property. We'll pop through the front door. Now it is a beautifully presented property, really well looked after. As you pop in, you've got your entry hall just here. Coming to the front lounge room, living space, or parents retreat area, which is street facing at the front. It's a nice open space. Coming down the hall, you have your double car garage with internal access and remote control. Coming through to your downstairs powder room. Separate laundry, so really good size for a washer and a dryer, and you do have external access there as well. Popping out here, you've got your dining space overlooking the second living and kitchen area. So big, beautiful open space. Tiled in this area here. Pumping through, you've got your fridge space, kitchen area overlooking the dining and the lounge. So L-shaped bench top, dishwasher, microwave spot, and you've got your oversized oven and stove. Lots of cupboard space, good overhead cupboard space, and you also have this butler's walk-in pantry. So absolutely huge. Storage on either side. It's a really great size for a family. Coming out to the lounge room. Again, overlooking the kitchen and the dining space. Really good size, so if you had oversized furniture, it would definitely fit here. Popping outside, you've got your alfresco undercover area. You have got a side access here. Low maintenance as well, which is nice. And then your clothesline there, so really good size. Undercover area as well. Okay, so popping downstairs. Again, dining overlooking kitchen and lounge. Let's pop upstairs. So you've got all of your bedrooms which are located upstairs and also another living space. So as we come up the stairs, you can see the other living there. We'll come back there. Coming through to the master. Now, you've never seen anything so spacious. Have a look at that. Whew. So if you had a oversized bed suite, it's all gonna fit. Popping down here. So this is your master. Again, good size. You've got his and hers robes. So lots of storage here too. Either side. Again, have a look at that space. Coming to your ensuite, so double vanity, separate toilet as well. and an oversized shower. Pop back to the upstairs landing. So third living space here, or another rumpus room. Good size. Bedroom 2. Again, really good size rooms. All 4 rooms really generous in size. You've got sliding built-in robes in here. Popping to bedroom 3. Again, good size. This one has a walk-in as well. You've got some storage in there. Popping to the other room. Again, same deal goes. Walk-in robes in this one here. So 2 with walk-in, 1 with a built-in. Really good storage here. Then you have your central bathroom and toilet. So separate toilet here coming through to the central bathroom. Single vanity, really good cupboard space, and the bath in here too. So multiple living zones, heating and cooling throughout. Beautiful property located in Saltwater Coast in Point Cook. If you'd like to apply for this property based on the video tour, you do not physically need to view the property to apply for the home. If you'd like to make a time to view, you're welcome to send an inquiry through to the office, and the office will be in contact with you once we have an inspection time for the property. Thank you so much for watching, guys. My name is Melissa Hickson. I'm the Director of Prime Residential, and we look forward to seeing your application for this property really super soon. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.